Good morning everyone, welcome back into the channel. What an exciting time in cryptocurrency right now. We have got some exciting things going on. Bitcoin is trying to break through that 31k level and hold its position there, and just yesterday it did break through twice. We did get a bit of rejection, but I do think July can be a very strong month in the cryptocurrency world, hopefully anyway at least, and that's my opinion. So if we do see Bitcoin reach those 35k levels, the mid 30s, we might see low cap, mid cap coins also increase in price, so that could mean a good thing for altcoins and meme coins. Now today I want to look at some high risk meme coins I want you to be aware of, because I don't want you to fall victim to these particular very high risk reward coins, which usually turn into rug pulls. And I'm talking about these shit coins you find on like Dex tools and stuff like that. So there's a few that have really kind of raised my eyebrows a little bit. Now of course Dex tools is a great place to prospect, to snipe for coins that have, you know, massive upside potential. You can do that on the Pair Explorer right here, where you click onto the top left of the website and you've got all the different chains that you can look at. So we could go to like BNB coins here, you know, that find the hot pairs. We've got like, for example, MMIT, which is pumping on the day right now, but it's a really good way just to kind of find what is pumping and what is not pumping. But here are a few coins. So obviously meme coins are ripping right now in the market. They're doing super well over the last 24 hours. We're seeing a lot of market capitalization, a lot of money flow into these high risk coins. But we can look at it because I saw something like this just yesterday and it made me think, wow, this can just happen so easily, even if the liquidity is claimed to be locked in the top left-hand side. This rug pull happened at 262 holders, which is insane, and there is literally no market capital. There's zilch, not a single dollar. There is nothing. It's just completely gone. So this is an absolute insane rug pull. The website was here yesterday, known as Pepe Hub or something like that. Huge rug pull. Now of course this is unregulated territory, which is why it keeps happening over again, but I don't want you to fall victim. I don't want you to be someone that unfortunately gets reeled in and chases the green candle. So first one's going to be to kind of stay away from, in my opinion, is this one here. It's giving me the same warning signs. It's got that same kind of pump. It does have a website, which is absolutely crap. Yes, it's got the token contract address, but that means absolutely nothing anyway, guys. We don't know if it's renounced. We don't know any of this stuff. It is super risky, and not only that, it's got an artificial intelligence you know, ticker right here. So it's an AI focused coin, and they're usually even more high risk than normal coins. So what we're seeing is a huge pump, and a completely unrealistic pump of something like 9,500%. We've got 232 holders. We can see here the total liquidity is at 383k. Again, it says it's locked in, but I don't know if that's true or not. So just beware, guys, because I think there's a very good chance we could see a massive dump for these particular coins right here. So the FarmAI coin is one that I'm really urging you to perhaps stay away from. Remember, nothing in this video is financial advice. You've got to make your own decisions out there, folks, but this is one that I just do not trust for some reason. What else do we have? We've got Rogan. This one here is, again, giving me the same vibes as this particular coin. It was trading in this very bullish looking ascending channel, and then suddenly, you know, it just dropped like massive rug, 100% rug. So the next one's going to be Rogan. Of course, this is hyping on Joe Rogan. $1.37 million market capital with 230 holders. You can see it's flatlining around this particular level right here. Again, there's no website, there's nothing, there's no socials, just really dodgy kind of looking, you know, price action right here. And you move into that 15 minutes and it just looks like that. And now we're seeing this kind of just sideways nonsense, which I don't actually know what it means, but 1,500% pump for this coin. So I would not be ever getting into it at this particular moment. There's only been 94 buys, but look at all that massive amount of market capitalization. It's not locked in liquidity. This could easily turn very sour in the next few minutes or even hours. There was also Ben 2.0 recently. Now this one, of course, piggybacked off the back of, you know, all the 2.0 tokens and of course the main Ben coin. So this is the website right here, Ben 2.0, and it's all about, just like I say, it's getting the noobs in that missed out on the previous original coin pumps, and they're creating these alternative options for you to get into that are very risky, and you'd be stupid to put too much money into something like this. 571 holders. You can see what happened is this coin basically pumped a significant amount, 1,100%, and then a major dump took place. You can see right here, 83% correction. So that's why I do speculate that this particular coin, Joe Rogan, whatever it's called, and also this FAI coin, this FarmAI coin, I think they are very much on the way to doing something just like that, just absolutely rugging. So I might not be correct, but I'm just saying the odds are that these coins are more likely to drop in price drastically right now. So please do be careful for that, because it would be very, very crap if something like that did happen to you. I've been there before, and you just don't want to be there. You don't want to be in that position. It's a horrible feeling when your money is just vanished, basically. What else? In other news, oh yes, the Thug Life token that we're also looking at on this channel has now raised $323,000. This is a pre-sale I have got myself into. It's an ICO. Only 13 days left until they go live, guys, and they're going to go straight to DEX. There's been a few changes on the website. We can see 13 days is now sitting at the top left of this pre-sale. I've got a link down below for you to check out this particular pre-sale, so do your own research and due diligence on this coin. You can buy it on the Ethereum ERC20 mainnet. I know most of you guys have already got MetaMask wallets by now, especially if you're watching this video. But yeah, one Thug token is $0.0007 right there. So it's a low market cap coin. It's going to launch around 2.97 million, and they're looking to raise $2 million. And literally, it's just a meme, and it's really about just getting those people sort of FOMOing in, creating a bit of community, a little bit of fun, and hopefully it can do some good things in this meme market that we're seeing, especially if the trajectory of Bitcoin remains to be bullish. So 4.2 billion total supply, 70% sold in pre-sale. That's 2.94 million tokens. We can see here the pre-sale token price right there is 0.0007. So it's pretty interesting to see what could happen for this particular coin. They've got a liquidity lock for 3 months, so they're locking the LP pool, which is really, really nice. And they have now finally formed a roadmap, which is also very important. So phase 1, we're going to see the Thug research, the pre-sale goes live. Phase 2, there'll be a DEX launch, an airdrop campaign, giveaways, a centralized exchange listing as well in the phase 2. So that's really, really nice. You're going to get a centralized exchange and a DEX at the same time. Phase 3, there'll be a Thug token burn. Not sure if that's of the existing supply and how it's going to work, but it means effectively tokens will move to a wallet that they can never come back out of. And they're going to strive to $100 million market capital, which is a 50x according to the statistics and data right here. And then they're going to secure some more partnerships as well. So pretty cool token if you want to check this one out. It doesn't have the major risk of these other coins, so that's why I've put myself into it, because these just look super high risk reward. Whilst this is a high risk reward, it doesn't have that like horrible kind of feeling about it, in my opinion. But yeah, it could have better things. It could have a bit of doxing or an AMA or just something for a bit of transparency. But here is the meme world, guys, and Thug Life token has now got 2,118 followers. They're still growing more and more and more. Let me know if you like this coin. It's down below for you anyhow. So yes, we're seeing a lot of coins rip and then dip, basically. Rip and dip is what we're going to call it from now on. There was another one, this token here called SKUY or SKUY. Now this actually looks kind of legit. 10k holders, $1.22 million market capital, and it is pumping massively still. You can see it's been trading sideways for a bit. Just recently it's had this massive pump right there. So again, don't chase these green candles. It moves 65%. The corrective suggestion could be back down to 0.5 Fibonacci, which would take you to a 23% correction. It could keep pumping. I don't know a lot about the coin. This is the New Earth multiverse. Again, another one, Web3 gaming, social world. Is it risky? Maybe. It looks a bit more legit and genuine, like it has a bit of utility, to be honest, in comparison to a lot of other sort of shitty coins out there. But this is interesting. I like that it's got a white paper, but this one's much more legitimate looking. And this is a project that you can use as an example of maybe a coin that does look good, doesn't have so much high risk attached to it, and it helps you identify the projects that you feel like have a bit of genuineness inside them. So yeah, guys, make sure you check out the Thug Life token as well. Give that a bit of love. And also, if you're new to this channel, I do have the Jacob's Crypto Clan, where you can actually choose a different membership if you want to be a crypto hunter, crypto warrior, crypto champion, rah, or a crypto legend. You can unlock many juicy benefits. The Patreon link is also down below for you. Thanks for watching this video. If it helped, subscribe. If it didn't help, subscribe anyway. See you soon.